Hi, this is French A1.1. Today's lesson is entitled Possessives and Personal Items. I have chosen to divide this lesson into two parts. First, we are going to do a little bit of vocabulary. We are going to learn the names of objects that we use every day. In the second part of this lesson, we are going to study how to say that we own these items. Let's take a look at these objects in more details. First one is un sac. If you're taking note, make sure that you write down the article that comes with this noun, because you also have to learn if the word is masculine or feminine. Un sac is masculine. Des lunettes, glasses. This noun is feminine, but it's always used in the plural form. Des mouchoirs. Des mouchoirs, masculin. Tissues. Un parapluie. Un parapluie. An umbrella. Un miroir. Un miroir. A mirror. Une clé. Une clé. A key. Un peigne. Un peigne. A comb. Un portefeuille. Un portefeuille. A wallet. Un ordinateur. Un ordinateur. A computer. Une chaise. Une chaise. A chair. Un fauteuil. Un fauteuil. This one is a little different. It's an armchair. Number one, numéro un. Un couteau. Un couteau. Numéro 2, une fourchette. Une fourchette. Numéro 3, une cuillère. Une cuillère. So that's a knife, a fork, and a spoon. The pronunciation for the third one, une cuillère. Cuillère has two syllables. Cuillère. Un verre. Un verre. A glass. Une assiette. Une assiette. A plate. Une brosse à dents. Une brosse à dents. Now, dents is teeth and brosse is brush. Une serviette. Une serviette. A towel. Une chaussure. Une chaussure. A shoe. Chaussure is feminine, but it's usually used in the plural form. Un manteau. Un manteau. A coat. That's it for the first part. Now I'm going to teach you how to say that you own these objects. I'm going to use the first word as an example. Un sac. If you want to say that you own this object, you can say c'est mon sac. C'est mon sac. It is my bag. Now, remember that sac is masculine. Another word, une clé. Une clé. What would you say? if you want to express the fact that you own this object. C'est, and you would say c'est ma clé. C'est ma clé. Now, you have probably noticed that the article is different. Mon, ma. Why? Because clé is feminine. So the article is feminine as well. Next one, des lunettes. Des lunettes. It's feminine, but it's always used in the plural form. In that case, you would say ce sont mes lunettes. Ce sont mes lunettes. The article is plural because the noun is plural. I also want to point out that ce sont is the plural equivalent of c'est. It is or these are. So I think you understand that if you want to say my ta in French, there are three versions of my, mon, ma, mes, depending if the noun is masculine, feminine, or plural. What if you want to talk to someone? Tu. In that case, you would say c'est ton sac, c'est ta clé, ou ce sont tes lunettes. What if you're talking about a third person? Par exemple, Sophie. Sophie est féminin. C'est son sac, c'est sa clé, ce sont ses lunettes. What if you're talking about the third person who is a man? Par exemple, Thomas. You would say c'est son sac, c'est sa clé, ce sont ses lunettes. The thing that I'm trying to point out here is that for the third person, in French, the person that owns the object does not affect the article. In English, if you're talking about Sophie, you would say it's her bag. And if you talk about Thomas, you would say it's his bag. This doesn't work in French. We use son because bag is masculine. Sac est masculin. We use sa because clé is féminin. So the owner does not matter. Here is a summary of all the possessive articles. For je, you are going to use mon, ma, mes. Mon, ma, mes. Pour tu, ton, ta, tes. Ton, ta, tes. Pour il ou elle, doesn't matter, son, sa, ses. Son, sa, ses. Pour nous, notre, nos. So here, it doesn't matter if the noun is masculine or feminine. There is a unique article for the singular form, notre. Pour vous, votre, vos. Same thing. Pour ils, leur. Don't forget about this one. If two people or more own the object, you have to use leur. It translates by their in English. I'm going to talk about little things that you have to know. There are a couple of exceptions. I'm going to use the word une assiette. Une assiette, a plate. Assiette is feminine in French. So naturally you are going to say c'est ma assiette, right? However, in that case, you cannot use ma. Why? Because assiette starts with an A, and phonetically it doesn't sound very good. We don't like to hear ma assiette. So, in that situation, you are going to use mon instead. Even though assiette is feminine, it sounds better with mon. Mon assiette. So this rule applies to all the feminine nouns that start with a vowel, and it also works with ta and sa. So you would change ta into ton or sa into son. I also want to introduce another way to express possession. It's the expression c'est de Par exemple, c'est le sac de Lisa. It is Lisa's bag. This expression de is very frequent in French. C'est le sac de Lisa. I'm done with the lesson, so now we are going to practice. The exercise today is I'm giving you an object and a personal pronoun, and you have to choose the correct possessive. Now, you can do that by memory or with your notes. If you need help, you can also print the PDF form, the lesson from this class. First one, un ordinateur. I want you to use that word with vous. C'est ordinateur. And the answer is, c'est votre ordinateur. Ordinateur is masculine, but it doesn't matter because there is only one version of votre. Next one, une brosse à dents. Une brosse à dents. Avec je. C'est brosse à dents. Now, brosse à dents is a feminine noun. Therefore, you have to use ma. C'est ma brosse à dents. Next one, un parapluie. Avec tu. C'est c'est ton parapluie. Parapluie is masculine. Next one, un verre. I want you to use that with elle. C'est son verre. C'est son verre. Verre is masculine, so we have to use son. It doesn't matter if the owner is a girl. Next one. This one was a little harder. I chose not to give you the name of the object. So the answer is ce sont vos clés. That's it for today. I hope you had fun learning more vocabulary and say that an object is yours. Until next time, I hope you have a good day and au revoir.